Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Tuesday, June 30. The Education Ministry says all is in place for tomorrow's sitting of the Grade 4 numeracy test. More than 43,000 students will be taking the test in 1,470 centers across the island. It follows today's sitting of the Grade 4 literacy test, for which 58,125 students were registered. The ministry says it has made special arrangements to facilitate the 253 special needs students who are sitting the examinations. Students need to pass both tests in order to become eligible to sit the Grade 6 achievement test. The 19 wards housed at the Wortley Home for Girls are being temporarily accommodated at an undisclosed location in the corporate area following a fire at the institution Monday morning. The Child Development Agency CDA says a section of the 90-odd-year-old facility, which housed the dormitory, was completely destroyed by fire. Youth and Culture Minister Lisa Hanna says long-term accommodations are being sorted out. In the meantime, the minister says none of the girls were physically injured, but they were visibly shaken up by the incident. So the CDA has deployed a team of clinical psychologists and social workers to provide emotional support. The cause of the fire is still unknown and investigations into the early morning blaze are ongoing. $32.7 million is being spent to renovate and expand the Morant Bay Health Center in St. Thomas. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson broke ground on June 25 to start work on the facility.
When we expand the situation here in relation to the Morant Bay Health Center, which is now seeing 2,763 patients per month. When we expand, we expect that those numbers will also go up.
The improvement is being funded by the Sugar Transformation Unit of the Ministry of Agriculture. It is expected to be completed in another 3 to 4 months and will benefit communities such as Morant Bay, Retreat, Prospect, Dumfries, Spring Garden, Johnsontown and Wilmington. While the work is going on, arrangements are made for residents to access health services from other facilities in the parish. Government has committed to providing the newly created Environmental Foundation of Jamaica with $6.14 million to pursue various environmental projects. The money is the balance of $16 million government had agreed to provide the Forest Conservation Fund (FCF) over a period of 19 years. An agreement was recently signed to merge the FCF and the Environmental Foundation of Jamaica, with a new entity retaining the EFJ name. U.S. Ambassador Louis Moreno signed on behalf of his government, which has been providing funding support to the EFJ. As part of the merger agreement, Environment Minister Robert Pickersgill says the outstanding balance will be paid to the new entity.
The success of the EFJ and the FCF to date will go a far way in ensuring that the necessary financial resources will be identified for the new EFJ. In this regard, the government of Jamaica is committed to the new EFJ and will continue to support its activities.
The Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC says its fuel cost has been cut by 17% since the introduction of a dedicated bus lane along the Mandela Highway, as well as the introduction of ultra-low diesel.
Now, when a country has a JUTC using up to 8% of oil imports just for that one company, saving 17% in that particular area of its operations, speaks volumes.
JUTC's Deputy Managing Director of Operations says the introduction of the Mandela Highway bus lane has also increased its passenger load from about 700,000 to 734,000. The arrangement was scheduled to expire on June 30, but Mr. Finnekin says the company has written to the Transport Minister asking for it to be extended. JUTC is also looking to engage the National Works Agency to mirror the bus lane across the KMTR. And finally, come July 5, JUTC passengers paying $120 will be able to benefit from reduced bus fares under the company's Summer Bills promotion.
Passengers have been saying, listen, what can you do for us? Is there anything that you can do, because things could be a little easier for us?
The promotion will run until August 29, and during the period, adult passengers will pay $20 less to ride on JUTC buses. JUTC's Deputy Managing Director of Operations says the special fare is being introduced to encourage more persons to take the bus and to make JUTC their preferred mode of transportation.
Take JUTC, take the air conditioning, take the cushion seats, take the better customer service, take the better price.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara Mikhail. Thank you for watching.